afternoon, everybody. My name is Timothy Galloway, and I am a social media coach. I'm here to help you to change your life. If you want me to change your life, to help you change your life, okay? Cause I got a good opportunity for you, but I can show you the information. I can tell you the information, but it's up to you what you gonna do with that. I don't know if you, cause I can't guarantee you gonna make money, but I don't know who you are. I don't know what you're gonna do with the information. All I can tell you, cause I can't promise you're gonna make a sale. I can't promise you. Okay, if you gonna do this, do the information what I give you, then and you follow the blueprint. I promise you will be successful. But I can't promise you gonna make money. But if you follow the blueprint of the affiliate marketing program, the program you are investing, I promise you might will make a sale. But you gotta follow the directions in the blueprint. You gotta follow that, okay? Because that's what I come into. I'm here to help you. I'm here to give you information. I'm here to show you the information. Okay? Because I'm not here to force you to sign up with this program. I'm not forcing you to work with me. I'm not forcing you to do that. I'm not forcing you to work with somebody else. I'm just here on my own and helping you. Because you can work at a 9-to-5 job. But do you think that 9-to-5 job is going to be still there the next day? Do you think that 9-to-5 job going to be there the next day? No guarantee. Cause a new owner come in, or the company side they wanna go, they wanna belly up. Yeah, they could. You don't know. That's why you need to have second income, a third income, a fourth income, a fifth income. You need to have more income coming in. More income, because you need to have money saved up in the account. See when you first started out, your videos is not gonna be that great. You're not gonna be doing good like the other people, like Walmart, Target, Amazon. They started out low. They were not successful. It took them a long time for to be successful. It took them a long time to be successful. If you really want to be like them, all you have to work hard. Don't give up. Keep working. Keep doing. Keep working so hard. I promise you gonna be successful like them will be. If you just work hard. Don't give up. Say, oh, I make 6 videos. I make 3rd video. Oh, I'm not making sales. I haven't got a sale, or I haven't got nobody want to sign up with me. See, that's the way you work. That's the way it works. Cause it's a lot of people out there. It's doing the same thing you are. It's doing the same thing, and you have to kinda put your information out there to try to get them to see how you are gonna be a better person, you got a better good opportunity in their will, and how you do your business. Yeah, you have to kind of be better, because sometimes it's hard, but you gotta work at it. You gotta work at it, okay? Because you go work in your business. You won't be in a business by yourself, but you will be in a business. It's your business, but you won't be in there by yourself. You got a mentor, and I will be your mentor if you want